Now we're going to construct a segment called a midsegment. And what midsegments do is, so we'll say a midsegment it's an N, is a segment that connects two midpoints in a polygon. To save some time, I already created the midpoints for here, and the midsegment will just consist of drawing a segment from this midpoint to this midpoint, from this midpoint over to this midpoint, and this midpoint over to this midpoint. Now, once we get into some characteristics about this, we're going to find out that, for example, this midpoint or this midsegment right here is parallel to this side. This midsegment right here is parallel to this side, and this midsegment is parallel to this side. And we'll find out different things about the different lengths. Now, remember, we can construct these in just about any triangle that we have. We have a right triangle here. So, okay, starting here, there's M1. There's M2. And I can find the third, close that down a little bit, the third midsegment right here. And then I will just connect these. And if you notice here, when you connect the midsegments, you actually create right angles on all of those. And if I draw this midsegment here is parallel to the hypotenuse. And open up past the midpoint here. There's M1. You could also find a midpoint by just measuring. Put this at 1. So there's 1. There's 2. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2.5. So 1, 2.5. There's midpoint 2. And I kind of prefer this one's a little bit easier. Just use your compass, draw a couple quick arcs. And there she is, midpoint 3. There's a midsegment. Turn this around. Here's a midsegment again. Here's a midsegment. That side's parallel to that side. that side's parallel to that side. That side is parallel to that side. And here's an extension for you. Create the midsegments and compare the lengths of the midsegment to the side it's parallel to. What do you see happen? So give that a try. Draw a triangle, draw the midpoints, draw the midsegments, and just measure them up and see what you need to get. Follow that extension, see what happens. Hopefully you'll find out the correct relationship between the midsegment, which is right here, and the third side, the side that it doesn't have any connection to. So go ahead and see if that works out for you.